ground, jet first, request to reposition the aircraft from leading edge back to jet first. Jet first, proceed Alpha. Jet first, proceed Alpha.
Good morning, Palmer Tower. Cessna 42712 holding short of runway 24 for right downwind departure.
42712 Palomar Tower, right downwind approved, runway 24 cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 24, Cessna 712. So we got our lights, camera, which is already on, and action, which is our fuel. Fine. There we go. Power's in. Nice, I like to have flying something with power in it. Alright, airspeed's alive. Engine instruments are in the green. Flaps are coming up. Power's coming to 23. Prop is coming back to 24.
C3 Legoland.
Where?
Down here. Yet? I don't know if we've ever seen Legoland before.
I saw.
There's the pirate place, and then there's the cars and the boats. I don't remember ever seeing this before.
Tower citation 518 Golf Hotel, coming up on 24, ready to go IFR.
Okay, you good.
Citation 518 Golf Hotel, Palomar Tower, runway 24, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 24, Golf Hotel.
Everything just looks like it's just a model.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 42712, taking the active 18 for straight out departure, French Valley traffic.
Traffic, sky at 497 Tango Charlie, 4.5 miles south of the airport, left traffic for runway 18, Ramona, for Charlie.
Alright, lights.
French Valley traffic, you're on Camp 78 Echo, turning left base 18 French Valley.
Guys ready?
Ready.
Daddy.
Here we go, buds.
My name's not Bud.
Alright.
Or Bunch. Or
Build that
Bunch.
power. Man, I love this Continental.
Or Fudge.
Alright, power's in, airspeed's alive, engine instruments are in the green, everything's looking good.
Check. A.
Inbound Tower Cessna 42712 is Bonsall inbound pop-up full stop.
November 42712, Palomar Tower in the right base, report over squares.
Report squares, Cessna 712.
128.
And Cessna 712 is at squares.
Plan 12407.
Airlines 24712. Alright, gas is on both, undercarriage is down, mixture is rich, prop is going forward for go around.
Dad,
5 holding short 24 for a left downwind departure.
Daddy, on
Going full flaps.
Let's go to verify Z9815 Palomar Tower number 2.
Dad, that's
So I stopped the video here real quick, and you get to see my ugly mug. I just wanted to give a quick explanation of what is about to happen. As you can see, the aircraft, I'm configured up on. I'm on my final base leg to get ready to turn to final. And just prior to me checking in at Squires, there was an aircraft, a Cherokee, that was already cleared to land. As I was getting ready to make my turn from base leg to final, that Cherokee was still sitting on the numbers, and you can see in the video my utter disgust of why that guy is still there. At that point, I was already prepared for the go-around and was ready for it, but didn't think I was going to need it. He started rolling, even though it took him a while to get down the end of the runway. He got down, but ultimately at the end, the controller won out and called for my go-around. I never questioned those guys and gals. They work very hard. So I went ahead and did the go-around, and here it is.
9815 number 2.
What's this guy doing?
Dad,
Where?
On front.
on the radio.
He needs to take off.
Yeah. He just sat there.
Guy on the radio. Guy on the radio.
Colonel, hold on a second.
Now everyone's shushing me.
Cessna 712 go around.
Going around 712.
712, follow the Cherokee, heading right close traffic.
712, and can I get an early turnout all over, overtake him easily?
712, if you turn right now, that's approved.
712.
712, continue traffic, hold in position.
712.
On flight 1, make right close traffic, runway 24, cleared for takeoff, follow the Cherokee off the departure end.
Clear for takeoff, on flight 1 and right close traffic.
Make that turn to the downwind now, 712, please traffic heads, turning right as well.
712, and I have an insight.
06 Juliet, follow the traffic off your right, Cessna, closer and right crossing. Crescent Cherokee 288, follow the traffic off your right. 288 has the traffic. 288, thank you.
Man, talk about done one of those in a while.
Why did they have you do that? Even though he was...
815, runway 24 and 1, up and wait
Okay.
traffic.
Dad,
Carnell, just hang on a second, alright? This guy's really busy, buddy. I want to talk to you, but I need to pay attention.
Make approach straight in from the south, landing jet source at your own risk, non-sight from the tower, wind 250 at 7. CSP helicopter 60, straight in for jet source. 288 turning 2 mile final, 24. To the 712, turn left, contact ground point 8.
712.
he hasn't
At least
landed.
you could have said thank you for the go-around.
Dad,
Hang on a sec, bud. I'm not done flying here, okay? Just because we're on the ground doesn't mean I'm done flying.
288 on final.